Hello and welcome back to Developers Diary. In the previous tutorial, we have learned about the tree component in Apex. Today, we shall learn about the calendars in Apex. So, first of all, we need a table in which we are going to store our task. I shall provide the link in the description. So, here we have a demo projects table in which we have ID, revision number, project name, task, start date, end date, status assigned to cost and budget. And the primary key is ID. So after that, we have a trigger here. This trigger will add a value, unique value into the ID when inserting or when updating, then it will update the version number in this column. So let's start. Go to your Apex workspace. I have created this table. Then go to app builder, choose an application or you can create new one. So first of all, we shall create an interactive report to enter the project and task detail. Include form, project list. Then we have project detail. This is a normal page. Then we add our table here. Then click next. And the primary key is the ID and click create page. Now run the application. So currently I have only one project mentioned here. Let's create another one, and the project name is Apex Developers Diary. Task name is create calendar tutorial. Then mention the start date 2024 and the status is pending. Then assign 5,000, 10,000. Click create. And therefore, the previous condition address completed. Complete. So one is pending and one is complete. Now let's go to the page designer and create a calendar here. Click calendar, project calendar, choose the table, click next. Display column is the task name that we want to show on the calendar. Then we have start date, end date, time, show yes. event sorting automatic, and click create page. Now run the application. So you can see that this is the Apex tutorial and this is a create calendar tutorial. These are both tasks that are showing onto the calendar. So let's modify the query, convert it into SQL query, add a case here, case one status is equal to pending, then show the class Apex very blue, when status is complete, then Apex all green, and as CSS class. Validate the query, missing keyword. So you can add different CSS classes based on the status. Currently, I have only pending and complete status. You can also add on hold and open status, and you can use orange or gray color here. So click OK, then go to the attributes and under the CSS, provide the CSS class or column that we have recently created. Then click run application. So you can see that for the complete task, it is showing the green color, and for the pending task, it is showing the blue color. So the next thing that we can do, first of all, mention the primary key. And after that, if we want to edit the task without going to the interactive page and the form, and want to click this project our task here, and it will navigate to the edit page. So click on the view or edit link and specify the project details and provide the ID. Click OK, save and run the page. Now when you click on the task, it will navigate you to the project detail. Here you can see the detail and you can modify it. So you can see that it has update the assign to. Similarly, one more thing here, if we want to create new task, similarly you select the page, and this time you don't need to send any ID. Click OK and click save, and you run the page. Now this time if you will click on any date, it will navigate you to the create page. So here we are going to create a project which is development series. Task is tree component start date. Let's say we have 15 and date is 19 and the status is pending, signed to Ali, and the cost is 5,000. 6,000 and click create. It will create a new project here, and you can see that onto the calendar tree component. One more thing, you can do that if you want to drag the task from calendar without going to the edit page. So by dragging and moving to the next dates, you can update directly onto the calendar. So for doing that, we shall go to the attributes and enable the drag and drop option. Then we have to provide a query. I have mentioned the query here as well. So what this query do, when it so actually uh, what is the purpose of this query? It actually modify or update the table and assign a new start date and end date to the task that you will drag. And here you can specify the ID. So we'll click OK, and save and run the page. So now this time you have an option to drag it from one dates to another dates and modify directly into the table without going to the update project page, or you can say form. You can drag it directly here and it will update the dates. For example, I have drag it from 13 to 12, the start date. Now I click onto the task and you will see the start date is 12 and the end date is 6. So that's all about the calendar. You can view the date and list and month as well. I hope you have learned something useful at Developers Diary. See you in the next tutorial.